transparent gesso. So like all our other gessos, it has all the good stuff, calcite grounds, that you want in a gesso, but this gesso has two main features: that it's transparent, it's not clear because of the materials in it to give it the tooth and the calcium carbonate. It's not clear, but it's translucent or transparent, which means it can be mixed with the background colours, for instance. There's 39 colours in the background range. You can mix it with the background colours as a pastel primer. It is transparent enough to put over the top of a colour, but as I say, you will get that haziness, but to give you some real tooth. So as a pastel primer or a primer where you really, really want some tooth, charcoal as well, the transparent gesso is your go-to. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you've got any comments, we'd love to hear from you.